In this video, we're changing the lighting in the hatch area. We're gonna be installing some LED bulbs, but we bought two different ones. We bought the regular one and the super bright, and we're gonna be testing them, seeing which one's better. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is our regular OEM bulb. I already removed one, and here's a couple of facts about these bulbs. They require more power to run in the LED, and they run way hotter, like physically hotter. Like if you put your finger on there, you'll get burned. These run cooler, they require less power, and typically they're brighter. But when you're looking for one, you have these two options. You have a regular one, and then you have the super bright. And it is possible to go way brighter than you need. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test them both. We're gonna see which one looks better in the back and go from there. All right, let's show you the locations of the bulbs. So we have one right here, it has a lens, and if you look over here, we already removed one, and this is the connector for it. We're gonna put that one back together. But let us show you how we took this one off. I have a trim tool, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna just gently pry it out. And then it comes out. Now these are hot. All right, with our little towel, we're gonna remove the bulb. All right, we're gonna start off by putting one on each side. We don't want to get these confused. Now, there is a difference with these two. This one right here is the more premium brand, lifetime warranty, where this, I think, just comes with like a year or two warranty. So let's get this one. Let's get our lens. All right, let's put in our first one. Slide it in here. All right, so there's that one. All right, so we got our super bright on the right side. And on the left side, we have the regular one. All right, here's with the lights off. And there's not a huge difference, but the brighter one is slightly brighter. And this is how it looked like before. Let's turn off the lights. I definitely like the cooler light. So I asked Elise which one is brighter, and the right one's probably about 10 to 15% brighter. So we're gonna go ahead and install the left side with the other one, and we will be done. All right, so we have the super brights installed on both areas. Not only does it look better, but it's actually gonna be useful. We could utilize more light in the back, and it uses less power, which is helpful. And another upgrade to our Ford Focus ST. The link for these little LED lights are gonna be in the description. You can pick up a set on Amazon. We appreciate you watching. Make sure you check out the rest of our videos. We have a whole playlist of upgrade and DIY and maintenance videos for the Ford Focus ST. Thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon.